As part of the thread reinforcement product group, the Böllhoff HELICOIL Depth Gauge tool has been designed as a suitable solution for both the measuring and recording of pre-installed helicoils inside of a tapped hole. This development helps the operator reduce associated process time whilst ensuring effective, repeatable results. This precise measuring device is able to produce direct, accurate data on the depth of an installed helicoil, factoring in all pre-programmed tolerances. Due to this design, this allows for an operator to record the presence of an installed helicoil without the need for additional expensive processes. This piece of equipment is compact, easy to operate, and has been professionally calibrated to ensure the data produced is accurate upon operation. Compared to that of other measuring equipment in the marketplace, the Böllhoff HELICOIL Depth Gauge design allows for simple and consistent measurement recording, no matter the operator's levels of experience or expertise. Each HELICOIL Depth Gauge kit is shipped in a custom designed and marketed protective case, which is water, crush and dust proof, with all respective paperwork and certificates included. This ensures the product's longevity throughout its continued use in a host of varying environments throughout the workplace.